Hi, how is going on? Hope you are doing well. This is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix the Visual C++ runtime error, r6034 in Windows 10. At first you need to open your preferred browser. After opening the browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++. After getting the result, click on the first link. Scroll down and find this section. If you are using 32-bit operating system, then click on x86. If you are using 64-bit operating system, then click x64. I am using 64-bit operating system, so I am clicking on this second one. Download will start automatically, please wait until finishing the download. After finishing the download, go to the downloaded folder. Double-click on it. Accept the terms and condition by clicking here. Click on Install. Please wait until finishing the installation. Click on Close. Now restart the computer. After restarting, your problem should be solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.